wasn't done and I was like, can't leave him. Barely on the ball that, eh?
Should have left him sitting there. No.
One thing that was making me want to play my wheel, I will say. That's another reason why it's like, yeah, it's hard watching this shit, because once you finish, you're just like, oh, I just want to go around Mount Panorama or something, you know?
Yeah, you're not wrong. Huh.
You definitely felt the hook. I like this log though, it's an little log to walk along that.
Oh, yep. Yep. Oh, I'm still recording too.
I'm coming.
He's alright.
He's a big boy.
I was recording the whole time too, it's going for 3 minutes.
No.
So I'm hoping I got it.
He's a good one, he's a good one.
Second surface fish. My second one. He's a good one.
It's pinned pretty good.
It's alright, I'll get him.
Yeah.
Oh, you can get him, like I mean, I'll get him up for you.
Yeah.
Oh,
Landed.
look at that, folks. Look at that.
Second surface
And,
fish.
and on the next end lure, that's 2 today, I've got on that.
Nice.
Sort of wasn't paying attention and he hit me and then bang. Anyway, we'll I'll get a picture with that lure in his mouth and then I'll get a release.